uh, ran in to get my phone because of the storm. Been out here watching it like a normal Arkansan. And it's going to start raining on me soon. That rain's coming this direction. But this storm is oddly moving west. And the reason I went in to get my phone is because I was watching rotation right up here. See, that cloud right there is rotating, and some of the clouds are not, they're going different directions. So it's definitely a possibility that it could, produce a tornado. Oh, here's the rain. A weaker tornado, maybe. Because this definitely has rotation in it. I know you can't really see it on my phone because my phone is a piece of crap, but there's definitely rotation here, guys. And I'm just worried about I'm worried about the wind. Ooh, the wind, because the wind, they say, it's like nearing 65, 75 mile per hour winds. And you can obviously see everything is blowing and shit's getting in my eyes. Hopefully I don't get struck. But struck by lightning, it's meant to be, and I'm totally cool with it. I know that's kind of masochistic or whatever, but it's just wicked. I wish my phone would pick up. Maybe my phone's dirty. Let's see. Where's this? Yeah, I think my phone was dirty, sorry. So, the lightning's getting closer. The wind is about to get. People think on the coast they have bad storms. Well, of course, like hurricanes are horrible, but try living in the middle of America. You will see some massively hardcore storms. Even though they don't last very long, they can blow through like a tornado and just not even have a tornado in them, and just blow anything down, blow trees down with the winds. I thought I heard the siren earlier, and I think the siren would have been around Hot Springs Village, or possibly in the national Hot Springs National Park, which is pretty much right in the middle of Hot Springs. But I don't hear them now. Maybe it was a high-pitched boat somebody was trying to get off the lake, because today is Sunday and it's packed with tourists. Ooh, I'm getting wet. Man, I miss I really miss there's the wealthy neighbors, really wealthy neighbors. I miss the rotation. When I went in to get my phone and checked the radar, 1.5 minutes, I come back out and it done rotated on down that direction. Hey, they're home. All right.